In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Land Cruiser key fob to change the internal battery. You will just need one of these CR2032 batteries, and if you'd like to get one of those online, I will leave a link down in the description so that you can pick one up on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And other than that, this thing is pretty easy to open. The first step here is to look on the side of the device. There's a little button there that says push. You want to hold that down and pull out the internal key. Now you can see there is the keyhole. Perpendicular to that, there is a little slot in the plastic. I'm going to use a regular flathead screwdriver here. And you can see again, this is the keyhole and this is the slot that I'm referring to. You want to put your flathead screwdriver into there and just hold your device loosely and twist the screwdriver. That will crack open this device and you can just pull it apart, set this to the side, remove the circuit board, careful, don't drop it like I did, and just set this other half of the plastic also to the side. From here, we're going to use the very same tool and look up on the top of the battery here. You can see between the battery and the plastic, there's just a little space here. We're going to put our flathead screwdriver into that area. So hold this little component on the sides. Try not to touch the circuit board on the back and just apply some pressure into that area and just kind of wiggling and twisting. The battery will pop right out. Let's see that one more time. Right in this area, putting kind of the corner of my tool in there and just wiggling, pushing and wiggling. And you'll feel it slide into the battery and then the battery will click out. So once again, this is a CR2032 battery, and if you don't know where to get that, just go ahead and check the link in the description. It'll be there for you. And when you're putting your new battery in, make sure this positive side that has the plus side on it is facing up, and you just simply click it back into place. Now if you want to pick up the back piece of plastic, you can see there's that circle there. The battery will sit directly on top of that. So place that down with the circuit board facing up, and all you need to do now is click the two halves back together and put your key back in there. That is it. It was, hope it was pretty simple for you, and I hope that video helped you out. If it did, you can let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, check out the rest of our tutorials here on YouTube or visit us directly at fobbattery.com.